No, these are not scenes of a natural waterfall, neither is this municipal water supply. This is precious groundwater, gallons and gallons of which is being openly extracted and dumped into drains in the capital's eastern suburb, Noida. The offenders behind this irreversible wastage, the real estate and construction industry. Unlike water-starved Gurgaon, Noida faces a peculiar problem. Built over the Yamuna riverbed, groundwater in Noida is easily found at shallow depth. As a result, builders dewater the soil of massive amounts of groundwater just to build a solid foundation for their projects.
Noida and Trans Yamuna, all areas have a high groundwater table comparable to Gurgaon and other areas of NCR. It reduces the safe bearing capacity of the soil. Safe bearing capacity is the capacity of the soil, that how much load it can sustain, or in other words, how many stories it can sustain. If there are basements, 1 or 2 basements generally people are making for the parkings, then we have to dewater the complete area of that particular project.
Environmentalists claim that at some of the large-scale residential and commercial projects in Noida and Greater Noida, the process of dewatering the soil has been continuing for years.
एनवायरनमेंट प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 1986 का ये सीधा सा वायलेशन है। आप ग्राउंड वाटर को इस तरह से विड्रॉल नहीं कर सकते। उसके लिए सेंट्रल ग्राउंड वाटर अथॉरिटी की कुछ नॉर्म्स है। सबसे पहले एनओसी नेसेसरी है। एनओसी के बाद आप डीवाटरिंग कीजिए और उस डीवाटरिंग के बाद जो वाटर आप एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं उसे यूटिलाइज़ कीजिए, उसे हार्वेस्ट कीजिए। लेकिन यहाँ पर मोस्टली प्रोजेक्ट के लिए ना तो एनओसी लिया गया है सेंट्रल ग्राउंड वाटर अथॉरिटी से और ना ही कोई नॉर्म्स फॉलो किया जा रहा है।
सब जगह केवल ब्राइब देकर जो है 1,500-2 हज़ार रुपया दीजिए और कंप्लीशन का आप सर्टिफिकेट ले लीजिए। कोई नॉर्म नहीं, कुछ नहीं, कोई नॉर्म्स कहीं फॉलो नहीं हो रहा है।
In early 2012, the Noida authority made it compulsory for developers to submit affidavits assuring that they will minimize the wastage of groundwater. But at several project sites like this one in Noida, groundwater is being openly extracted and dumped into open drains. Noida's building bylaws stipulate that a built-up area of 100 square meters or more should have a water harvesting facility. The Central Groundwater Board, or CGWB, in its latest report has directed the Noida authority to ensure groundwater extracted is used for drinking purposes. CGWB has also directed the Noida authority to ban construction of deep basements in the region. But with poor monitoring and no penal action, several construction sites that don't comply with the norms are getting away with squandering this natural resource. Developers reveal that the Noida authority's incentives to go green with extra FAR is making builders go higher and higher, which in turn makes them dig deeper.
नोएडा और ग्रेटर नोएडा दोनों अथॉरिटीज़ ने ग्रीन बिल्डिंग के लिए 5% एक्स्ट्रा FAR इंसेंटिव भी रखा है। तो कह लीजिए बाई फोर्स उस FAR को यूज़ करने के लिए मैक्सिमम 90% से ज़्यादा बिल्डिंग है जो ग्रीन बिल्डिंग बन रही है।
But while a lot of hue and cry is made over Gurgaon's groundwater wells hitting rock bottom, the alarm bells have begun to ring for Noida as well. From 70 centimeters earlier, groundwater in Noida is now depleting at a rate of 1.22 meters per year. Also alarming is the estimated population that's expected to make Noida their home in the years to come. But is Noida prepared to quench the thirst of its future residents?
के सीने को चीर कर ये लोग और जो कई लाख साल पुराना जो पीने का शुद्ध पेयजल मतलब पानी है उसको निकाल कर बड़ी बेदर्दी के साथ ये लोग गंदे नालों के अंदर बहा रहे हैं। तो मेरा तो सवाल सबसे बड़ा ये है कि जब आप लोग पैसा कमाने की तरफ सोचते हैं, आप चाहते हैं, आप देश का विकास करना चाहते हैं, तो विकास का ये कौन सा पैमाना है?
Noida's construction industry needs to be regulated with stricter laws and tougher monitoring. And more than that, we need to act now and act fast before it gets too late. In Noida, Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.